welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box. The Daily Goodie Box is a free subscription box that you can get if you qualify to get a box each month full of, most of them full-size samples, all delivered for free to your box. This is completely free, F-R-E-E, free samples for you. So this time I was sent the box for the month of February, and we're gonna be opening it together. Luna is right here with me. She's going to be testing some items as well with me, so we're gonna see what we got for this month's Daily Goodie Box. I will leave the link for you in the description box where you can go ahead and sign up for an account if you haven't already. But this is the box. They usually come in one of those priority mail boxes, not just like this. It says Daily Goodie Box is more than just free samples. Some of the items that I have found through them, I've actually have gone to the store and actually bought the full size item as well. And yeah, so at the beginning, the usual little card says to log into your account. Make sure you review the items that you got so you're able to qualify for more boxes for the following month. And this one's, it's heavy, so something there, it's very tangible, very hard. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I like to just surprise myself, go in at it, and get things out. Look, the first thing is this Undercover Quinoa, dark chocolate, blueberries, crispy quinoa snacks. Quinoa snacks. I haven't really eaten quinoa because I don't think it's good. You never know. These are snacks, so we're gonna give it a swivel. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this is what it looks like it. And we're going to give it a try. Let me take this off. It's trying to focus on that thing. They taste like one of those chocolates, like crispy, Rice Krispies. I don't know. You want to try it, Luna? She's going to try it. Well, that's the first one. Delicious light chocolate covered snacks, it says. And this is like an actual size that you would have bought at the store, right? It's 2.5 ounces. So this is not a sample size. This is a full size of what you can buy in the store. Made in the USA. The next thing here. Ooh, is this thing. Oh, somebody's gonna like it. It says Flickable by Unique. Be Unique, Be You. And it comes like this. And it looks like a little lollipop. Say no to the status quo. And it has two little cards here. And this one, we got the toffee vanilla coffee. Lunita. They also have clear, which is sugar cookie. They also have pink, which is passion fruit, orange, which is tangerine, and red, which is apple. Look at this. All of this flavors is what they have. And this is a lipstick, I think. Somebody's into lipsticks and chopsticks. Somebody over there. And it looks like a lollipop. Can you see? It's a lollipop, but then you open it over here. I'm thinking that's what you do. It's a little bit hard to open with all those tags. And look at, ooh, Daddy. We got the toffee one. And this is the little wand. And I'm going to swash it right about there. And it's basically just like any kind of gloss. It sure smells like toffee. Let's see, Luna. It just gives you a little bit of shine. It's nice. It is cute. I really like it. Nice. Okay, the next thing we're gonna go in here, and it's another little box. I like that they pair them out like this. You didn't used to. It says Bamboo Nature, and I have soothing cream, body lotion, and hair and body wash, as well as bath oil. Is that so? Something smells really. Bamboo bath oil, splish splash for the love and babies. For the love of babies, bees, birth, and trees. Natural, organic, certified splish splash bath oil, fragrance dye. What the hell? Very nice. It looks like that. Like that, and all of these other ones. I'm going to soothing cream, Bamboo Nature. For the love of babies. Is this for babies? Yeah, it smells like green. It smells like a bamboo kind of thing. Yep. It's for 6 months. Just says apply to skin. Very nice. I haven't heard about him. The next thing here is this Germ Shield Antimicrobial Wound Gel. It's by CURAD. It's a wound gel. This is nice. I've seen CURAD in like band-aids and things like that. I hadn't seen like anything like thing, and it's this little container of CURAD Germ Shield. Like when you get a scrape or something, you just put it in there. Let me see if it has any. Oh, it's closed, so I can really smell. It says effectively clears bacteria like MRSA, E. coli, staph, and yeast. Very nice. It's nice to have like in the first aid kit. The next thing here, I already clicked, so I already seen what it is. Is this two little things? It's Zest tea, and I got 2 of them: pomegranate mojito and blue lady high octane tea. As much caffeine as a coffee. Wow. I'm going to try this because I love coffee. And this is pomegranate. And this is blue lady, which whatever that is. Very nice. Those are also, they can really just send you the whole box. But this is nice to taste. 2 flavors. The next thing here is this vegan premium nail polish. And that's how it looks, the box. And it's called Dimension Nails. Oh, I get it. 2 nails here, 2 nails that way. And the color I'm going to love now that I see it through the little. Oh my gosh, I do love this. Hawaiian Blueberry Dimension Nails. It says cruelty-free and vegan. 10 free color by the Precious Vegan. Look it. I love the bottle as well. Squarish. There isn't like much squarish bottle nail polishes out there, and it's really nice, and I love the color. They nailed it on the nail color. And I like it that it's cruelty free, and they have a little bunny there for you to see. Very nice. I haven't seen this brand anywhere else, so see, it's nice to have these things. The next thing here is this Desert Sage it says scratch made soap. Scratch made soap, okay. Waller sage brush, fights odor, soothing oats, purifying clay. It's just a soap. Take a wash, take a while. And it says from sage. Oh yeah, very much so, like sage and oats. This is very nice. It says Hannah's family has been carefully perfecting the original recipe featuring a botanical since 1995. Yeah. Very nice. This is a nice soap size that you can get. You can see like this texture thing that it's homemade that you can buy. And last thing here that you can see is this Spring Smile CBD-Infused Sparkling Citrus Soda. There it is. It's a whole can of orange soda. I'm not gonna try that one. And then it has the little infomercials for the take a wash on the wild side from the soaps. You can until April 30th, you can get 15% off if you use the code Goodies. If you want to buy some soaps from here. And oh look, see the Bamboo Nature Eco-Friendly Baby Care. Use welcome to 25% off coupon from the welcome thing. They also have wipes and diapers from the skincare. That's very nice. And then from the Zest, 25% off of any product with the code ZESTGB25. And this is from Amazon. They also have sparkling water or energy teas. And that is how it looks. But yeah, that is all that it included in the Daily Goodie box. The soda, the baby care, which this is interesting because it's organic. Mommy, as well as the CURAD. And then the soap, very nice. I like the soap. The nail polish, I think, is one of my favorite items. As well, Luna's favorite is the lip gloss, which is shaped like a lollipop. The teas, hey, I'm showing them. The teas are nice. And the quinoa things are, they're tasty. Just a bit, the texture or the texture is a bit weird for me because it tastes good, crispy thing. I think these are our favorite things right here. But yeah, other than that, that is all for today's video and what was included in the Daily Goodie box. Down in the description box will be also the playlist list to where you can buy any particular item from this item. Like if you just want the lip gloss, you can go ahead and click the link to buy lip gloss, the nail polish, the soap, anything that you want. I will include it down in the description box, so make sure you do so. And if you're already here, please subscribe to my channel and more videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Mommy, how much?